Where are we going, Matt?
We're going to Sun and Fun.
We're going to Sun and Fun.
I'm excited.
Absolutely.
SNF 19.
Have you ever been to an air show before?
I've never been to an air show.
Okay.
There is a star, an asterisk next to that, which is that there is a chance I was at an air show when I was younger than 5 or so and can't remember it. But I don't think that's the case.
So you wouldn't recall?
No, I've never been. As far as I'm concerned, I've never been to an air show.
Okay. All right. Very good. So we are going to your first air show, which is
pretty exciting.
Sun and Fun.
You know, it's funny, I like see videos of aerobatic shows, but I've never actually seen it in real life, and it's way cooler in real life. Like, we were still a mile out, saw 3 planes in formation. That was the coolest thing in the world.
Yes, formations. A lot of fun.
Other than Cherry Coke.
Well, Cherry Coke, yeah.
It was the second coolest thing in the world.
Weird.
Hey, what's the Pirates of the Caribbean thing? Yo ho, a pilot's life for me.
I hate you. I hate you with a passion.
Is it going to be in your head?
Yes,
now?
that's hilarious though. I like that. I'm jealous that I never thought of it before.
It's so great. It should be our hashtag. All right.
Okay, so we're pulling into this.
Pulling into
lot.
Sun and Fun.
2 lanes. Please go to the right lane. Please go to the right lane. Thank you. All right. Don't need you
Exciting.
anymore. So it's $10 a day to park. No big deal. I've already paid it. So I'm just gonna wiggle this thing out and drive right on by. He's not even looking. There. There we go. I just thought you meant
wait a minute.
activity.
So we just got our we got our logo 2 days ago. It's on the website as yesterday, and we just got our first printed cards that we're gonna be handing out here. Pretty exciting stuff.
Where are they?
Lost them.
So they're out there somewhere in the clouds. Oh, they're there.
Yeah.
They're over there. So yeah, that's not going to show up in this video.
But yeah, this video will be Matt's introduction to air shows.
Really cool.
So welcome to Sun and Fun. So normally when you get here, you would have to go through the ticket booth if you're buying, or if you're picking them up because you bought them online, you would go over to the Central Pavilion, and then you can pick to go to either side.
Anything we can do to make your experience even better,
to the right.
Be sure to ask one of the 3,500 volunteers.
So then we show the wristband. Thank you. What time it is right now? Is it 2:30? Need a watch. So there's really awesome stuff here, Veterans Plaza. We got some folks that come out. Matt's entranced. He's entranced by the airplanes. Parking spot. Wave, smile for the camera. Oh, we'll be back. All right, so what do you think so far, Matt?
Awesome.
All right, cool.
We'll get closer to the...
Oh, we'll get closer.
Is that a shuttle mock-up? Yeah?
Yes, it's a bouncy castle.
That's awesome.
The joy and wonder of the Matthews check.
We're walking. We'll be able to see it better if we get closer. I'm just gonna be your guide dog. Keep walking, keep walking, you're safe. Keep walking, keep walking.
That's awesome. How does he do that?
Elevator.
That's talent. So this is where the sweat starts?
So you see why I want to do this, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
That's awesome. What, come down here or come over here?
No, do that.
Oh, yeah.
Now I know what it was like to be my dad with me at an air show, constantly stopping and running away and having to disappear. I was walking and suddenly you weren't there, and I was like, now I know what it's like to be my dad taking me to an air show as a little kid. I totally get it now. So we're coming over here to the Wheeling Aerospace Technologies hauler, where they're featuring the Cirrus aircraft, also the home of Michael Coolian.
As our day continues here.
That felt good. I'm happy with that performance. All right, come on in, Matt. Okay. All right. Okay, so this is where my stuff goes. Sweet.
But like, I want to have to come back.
Yes. Okay. It's not that it's not safe, it's that you want to have it. But now I wish I had brought my card holder. It's all right though.
Well, the other ones are supposed to get square.
I know. Tim, this is Matt. Matt, Tim.
Very nice to meet you. How are you? Good.
Good. Matt's my partner in the podcast.
Yeah, the one you were telling me about when I was
business.
taking you for a joyride.
Uh-huh.
There you go.
He doesn't need one of those.
I don't need one.
He already knows about us.
Yeah. Well, we just got them printed, so we're excited.
Well, give me one. Give me one. Did you get that? That would be. That's actually the first one.
It's the first one.
So you got it. You've got number one. Do you want us to sign it?
Here, looky, man. Proud of you guys.
Thank you. So what do you think so far, Matt?
It's great.
All right.
It's awesome.
That's freaking awesome, man.
Dude, this is cool. Are we gonna hand out any cards?
All right. How many of these airplanes can you name, if any?
Cirrus.
Cirrus. You got one.
P-52.
One.
P-51.
P-51.
P-51. That was one off. All right. One off.
Up there, the only planes that you ever really see are like
It's hot in here.
C-17s.
It's
So
very
good to
hot
see
in here.
Like see Ospreys up there, right?
There's a swamp on my body in a place I'm not talking about.
On your body?
Probably shooting.
Just retired? Active.
No, this is active. Matt's back.
Yep.
Jets are loud.
Yeah. That's cool. That's so awesome.
All right, Matt, so we're sitting here at the Wheeling Aerospace Technologies Chalet. What do you think of the air show so far?
So that's what WHAT stands for.
Wheeling Aerospace Technology.
I just thought it said what. Got it. Well, this is pretty cool. I'm flabbergasted. Staying hydrated. Learning a lot.
We're not sponsored by
Thirster.
If you're interested in being a sponsor of the Spread Aviation podcast,
or just Spread Aviation.
Send us an email at hello@spreadaviation.com today.
82nd Airborne, and they think possibly it might have gone back several other times hauling gliders. These windows you see have gun ports in the middle of them. As that goes, they found there were 2 historians that were doing research from what I understand, for a private individual, and they came across this aircraft in Wrestler's Yard up there. They researched the numbers on the airframe, and they figured out that yes, this was that's all brother.
Wow.
Would you like to step up here?
Yeah, a little bit.
One at a time.
Oh, yes.
When he goes in, I'll explain a little bit about it, okay? Sure.
Because I'm not going to go up. Okay.
Take care. Come back tomorrow and ride on it.
Oh yeah?
We got a 10 o'clock ride if you're
Oh wow. What do those run?
249.
Okay. Thank you.
Well, this aircraft.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
While they're flying it tomorrow.
How much was the ride?
249.
$249. A bargain. The Waco was $229, but at least you get to fly that. Or the Stearman at Fantasy of Flight was $226, I think. Anyway, all right, cool.
It looks like it.
Hold on, Charlie. Hold on, Charlie.
Chain chance.
Drink up, meeting. That was what Allie Leeward did last night. Laid face down on the grass. And then Michael Marco's like, Allie, it's time to go.
You had soft serve yet today?
Oh yeah, it's soft serve. Can I give you a pie rep on the soft serve? The soft serve here is really drippy. Like melts at an alarming
It's the
rate.
humidity, remember?
I wore it's the humidity, but they also didn't get it cold enough. I was wearing the whole thing, like all down my face. And I needed an ice cream glove, like an Allie G.
He's like, yeah. Carly,
like,
this is the life, buddy.
All right, Matt. So how was your first air show?
It was awesome.
Yeah?
It was fantastic.
Would you do it again?
Yeah, those videos I got were like. The funny part is that you always see the videos, but they don't really show the.
Shut up, it's artsy.
They don't really show the. Why are you?
No, that's gonna make people sick.
No, I think that's what it is when you're in two-dimensional video. Unless you have a really good sound system, it's really hard. You don't feel the vibrations. You don't have to wear earplugs. Being that close to something like that is just awesome. And really being able to see just like the F-18s, for example, just being able to see how close they were flying, a foot and a half apart from each other. That's to me is amazing. And learning all about that. Love the biplane aerobatics. I thought that was great. Seeing smoke in real life was awesome. Food was pretty good. No complaints. you know, it was a good time. I was very excited. I think that if you've never been to an air show, you should go. You definitely got to go to one. Come see us at Oshkosh.
Yeah, come hang out with us at Oshkosh. We'll have dates and information and all that posted. So, thanks for joining us for today. More to come.